How to withdraw money from Metatrader 5 to bank account. So to withdraw money from Metatrader 5 to your bank account, follow these simple steps. Step number 1, withdraw money through your broker. MT5 does not handle withdrawal directly. You have to go through to your broker, and here is how. Log in your broker website. Use your account details to access the broker's client portal. Number 2, go to withdrawal section. Find the withdrawal option on the website. It might be under funds or cash withdrawal. Step number 2, choose your withdrawal method. Select the bank transfer. Choose bank transfer as your withdrawal method. After that, some brokers may also offer PayPal, Skrill, or other methods. After that, enter your bank details. You will need to provide your bank account information, account number, bank name. Step number 3, withdraw funds. So enter the amount you want to withdraw. Follow the instructions on the broker's website to confirm your withdrawal. After that, wait for the withdrawal to process. It may take between 1 to 3 days or business days for the money to arrive on your bank account. Important notes. So if you need to have funds on your trading account to withdraw, if you have any problem with withdrawing, contact your broker's customer support and make sure to confirm your identity with the broker, as some brokers require verification before withdrawals. Now your money should be on its way to your bank account. So this is how to withdraw money from Metatrader 5 to bank account. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.